Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by revealing what word hides. Turn on Show/Hide Paragraph on the home ribbon so you can see page breaks, section breaks, and empty paragraphs. This is essential. Open the navigation pane with Ctrl+F to jump to the blank page and confirm its content type. Once done, switch to Draft View for a cleaner workspace that makes selecting breaks and stray marks straightforward. You must see the real cause before deleting anything. This prevents accidental loss of real content. Now you act on what you revealed. Click immediately before a page break or section break and press Delete. For a break after cursor, press Backspace. If empty paragraphs cause the page, select the stacked paragraph symbols with Shift+Click or Shift+End and press Delete until the page collapses. Make sure to inspect headers and footers. Sometimes forced spacing or inserted content there creates an extra page. If section breaks exist, understand they affect headers, footers, and layout before removing them. Finish by addressing stubborn overflow. If a single paragraph or table forces a new page, reduce paragraph spacing or drop font size slightly. This often removes a page without losing content. For tables, open table properties and allow rows to break across pages or resize columns to fit. If a page still exists, inspect the section's layout settings. Margins or a different page size can create an extra sheet. Troubleshooting tip. If deletion doesn't work, copy the document content, exclude final blank page, into a new file to preserve formatting while removing the phantom page.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.